Honourable member for Guelph.
Mr. Speaker, the Canadian Council for International Cooperation is being left in limbo by the Conservatives. Awaiting what will likely be the end of their funding, they have begun to lay off workers and put their office space up for sale. The head of Oxfam Canada has called this latest ideological cut by the Conservatives, quote, very, very disturbing. What can't this government tolerate about constructive criticism and champions of human rights? What does it say about the character of our Prime Minister when those who watch out for the poor of the world have to watch their own backs?
The Honourable Minister of International Cooperation.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, this government is making sure that its international aid is going to make a difference. It's about the best use of taxpayers' dollars. It's about effectively delivering results for those who are living in extreme poverty. Mr. Speaker, it's about providing $5.85 billion to UNIFEM, which I announced yesterday, so that they can be out in the fields fighting for the equal rights of women and children. They're making sure they have fair access to property. They're making sure they're represented properly within legal systems. Mr. Speaker, this is the
Honourable member for Guelph. Ordered.
Mr. Speaker, contrary to the government's smears, CCIC is accountable, transparent, and gives world-renowned value for our money. These cuts are from a Prime Minister who silences any group that doesn't pass the Conservatives' ideological test, and CCIC, his latest victim. Over 100 aid groups work with CCIC to ensure aid is effective in eliminating poverty in the world, promoting human rights and social justice. CCIC serves the underprivileged and speaks for those who can't speak for themselves. How can this government simply cut them off, and who is their next victim?
The Honourable Minister of International Cooperation.
Mr. Speaker, as I indicated, the proposal from CCIC is under review. But, Mr. Speaker, I want to tell you about the commendations this government is getting. In fact, we have an organization that is applauding the federal government's review of how it spends its international aid. They're saying this kind of decision-making is long overdue because we have many NGO organizations and partners who are actually feeding children who are starving, who are actually improving the health of mothers and children in sub-Saharan Africa, who are protecting the rights of women and children in the Congo. That's
the Honourable